In this video, I'll show you guys how you can use a green screen in Kinemaster. So if you want to remove the green screen, then this is a video you don't want to miss because I'll show you how you can do that. And let's just get started right away. So to start this off, I actually made a clip and opened it in my timeline. That's what you want to do as well. Now once you have that clip, you want to add the green screen. So for that, click on layer and then click on image right there. And then select your green screen clip, which is exactly what I'll do right now. So I'm going to go with this one. Now in my case, the quality is too high for Kinemaster. It doesn't fit on my phone, but I'll still show you how you can do this. So right here you have the green screen clip. Now first of all, you want to position this, so I'll just go and add this right here. And all you need to do to get rid of the green screen so that you can remove the green screen background is scroll down and click right here on chroma key. Okay, so click on that. Then first of all, enable it right there. Then you want to make sure to have the key color set as green, just like me. And then you want to play around with this. So you want to put this at 0 and you want to put this at 100. Okay, so put the first one on 0 and the second one on 100, and you'll see that the green screen is now gone. If you do this, it will come back and it will show again. So I just recommend doing exactly what I just showed you, and then you should be able to get rid of the green screen background, and it should actually work. So if this video helps you out, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that. If you have any questions or if it's not working, make sure you go ahead and leave a like on the video. I would appreciate that, and then I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day.